If you've ever wondered how to make a CapCut template longer without messing up your whole edit, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to extend a shot inside CapCut by using the freeze feature, so you can hold on one frame for longer and make your template fit the timing you need. This is super useful if your clip ends too quickly, if you need more time for text or transitions, or if you just want your template to flow better. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to your timeline. Find the specific clip you want to make longer. Tap that clip once so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to work on before you apply the effect. Once the clip is highlighted, look at the bottom editing toolbar and scroll through the options until you find freeze. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling through the tools because it may be a little farther down depending on your device or version of CapCut. Tap freeze. What CapCut does here is very useful. It takes the exact frame your playhead is sitting on and turns it into a separate still image. In other words, instead of the motion continuing normally, CapCut creates a freeze frame from that moment in the clip. This is how you can hold the shot longer without needing extra footage. After you tap freeze, CapCut will add that frozen frame into your timeline. You'll now have a new image segment based on the frame you selected. To make the template longer, all you need to do is drag the edges of this new freeze frame image. Pull the end of the image clip to the right to extend its duration for as long as you want. The longer you drag it, the longer the shot will stay on screen. This is perfect when you need to slow down the pace of your edit, match a beat, give text more time to appear, or simply stretch out a CapCut template so it feels better timed. If you want the extension to feel smoother, make sure the frame you freeze makes sense visually. Usually, a frame where the subject is clear and the motion is not too distracting works best. That way, when the clip holds, it still looks clean and intentional instead of awkward. You can also preview the result by playing the timeline back after extending the freeze frame. If it feels too long, just shorten the image clip a little. If it still feels too short, drag it longer again until it matches your edit perfectly. That's really all there is to it. By using freeze and then extending the frozen frame, you can make a CapCut template longer in just a few taps, without having to reshoot footage or rebuild the whole project. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.